Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been away for too long, but that's a story for another day. For now, I just want to do a quick video on the Jumia Black Friday sale. I'm not very sure if these products are still on sale because I bought them, I think 2 weeks ago. So maybe you can check, maybe you can get something though from Jumia. They still have their Black Friday sale. It's ending, of course, on Friday, the end of the last Friday of November. So yeah, let's just get into it. They're mainly beauty products, and I've opened them, like I've unboxed them already. So yeah, it's a lot easier. So my first purchase was this cleansing brush. It's it goes for, I think, 2,000 shillings on Amazon. At Jumia, I bought it for 500 shillings, including the sale. I think it's 1,000 shillings without the sale. I love, look, it's amazing. It's really good stuff. Yeah, it has everything. It has a soft brush, it has the sponge, this other one, and the stony thingy. So the only thing you need with this one is you'll need to buy batteries, which I already did. It's not rechargeable, it's batteries. Yeah, that's the only thing you need to know about this brush. It's excellent, good condition, everything is good. Yeah, I'm happy with it. I was very, very happy with it. It was the first thing I opened when I was checking like if it was the right order, and I was very happy. So the second thing is from this box. It's, I think, from one store, so they sent me everything, and they are Garnier face masks. They are four. I bought four. All the different the different types they have. So yeah, I bought them, and I'll be reviewing them. I'm really looking forward to them. They look really good quality. I've heard good stuff about them, so I'm looking forward to trying them, of course, on my face and giving you the review. The other thing from the same store was, oh, okay, wait first. These are the masks were, I think, 350 shillings. Yeah, if I'm not wrong. I think they were 350 each. So total was I don't know, that's too much money. Garnier, my favorite thing in the world, micellar water. I bought it at Jumia for 450. Yeah, which is usually the normal price. It's like 600, so they didn't really have much of a discount, but this is an amazing product. I recommend it to everybody. You must buy this, man or woman. I mean, I use it with my significant other. Yeah, it removes a lot of that. So yeah, let's start on that. Okay, yeah, the third item, or the fourth item, is something I'm trying for the first time. And if you notice, all these things are beauty products because I'm very enthusiastic about skincare, and you gotta have good skin. Like, it's almost 2020. You have to have good skin, friends. So okay, my fourth item is this. It's a lip scrub. It's by Chapstick. Total hydration, exfoliating, and smooths for soft and beautiful skin. Yeah, it's thick. Say it's a natural lip scrub, so I hope it is. This one was, I think, 1,000. Yeah, it was 1,000 shillings, and it's very tiny. It's so small. I didn't know it was this small for 1,000 shillings, that's too much. That is a bit too much. But I like it. I hope it does. I like the packaging, and if it's not that good, the good thing is you can make your own lip scrub. It's very easy. There's so many tutorials on YouTube on how to make your own lip scrub. So yeah, that's that. And it smells amazing. My God. Smells I think it's, what is it? Has coconut. Oh shit, I've ripped off this. So it has coconut, vitamin E, yeah, and I think the flavor is peppermint. Yeah, fresh peppermint. So I'll tell you how good this is. I don't know, I've never used it, so this will be the first time. Yeah. I think the last product is this. Ooh, another new product. I've never used it, but obviously it's the first time for everything. Uh, For those who love bubble wrap, you'll be very happy to order these things because they all come in bubble wrap and they're so secured. Anyway, that's a good thing because you have to ensure the product reaches safely. And that's one thing I like about Jumia is they ensure, like, they have really good customer service from the shipping to the delivery. They're all good. I was very happy, and I this time I opted for pickup instead of like home delivery because I had ordered all these things from different stores and I wasn't sure like how they get here, so I just wanted to have all of them at the pickup point and then pick them up on one day. Yeah, they were very good. The people at the pickup place are very good. They're very hospitable. They're very helpful. Yeah, I was happy with everything. Yeah, so the last item is this Neutrogena Rapid Clear 2-in-1 Fight and Fade Toner. I've never used a toner, but toners are very recommended for skincare routines. Like, it's a must-have. So I heard that Neutrogena is very good. Like, they have very good products. Their cleansers, their toners, all of them, their washes, they're all good. So I really want to see how this works. Also, I'll do a review. I think I'll do a collective of all this, like their review. Yeah, but this one says like it fights breakouts in under 8 hours, fades the look of post acne marks. Okay, my skin is fairly good, so I don't know. I don't know how much I need this, but I do get breakouts. I do actually. Um, so yeah, I'll see. I'll see how it works. I hope it does. Just yeah. So it contains salicylic what? Salicylic acid acne treatment. Yeah. So yeah, it looks good. This was, how much was this? Yeah, I remember. So it was one of the most expensive ones I bought. It was 2000 and I think 100 or something like that. But it's worth it. I don't think this one was on offer. I think it was just the price that it goes for. But it was very worth it. It's, yeah, from what I hear, it's worth every single coin. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I hope that I'll continue making consistent videos. I know I've been like away for a whole year, which is another story. As I said, I'll explain it. But for now, I'm hoping to make this a thing. I won't be doing just beauty products. I'll be doing, there's a lot I want to be doing. So yeah, I hope within the the last month, like December, I'm working on getting a camera, getting just a nice setup, like even the background, everything will be nice. Then I'll start making videos very well. So yeah, it's wait for that, hold for that. I hope that you'll still be here, and I hope that I'll get more subscribers. Please subscribe, like, share. I know this isn't the best video on YouTube, but that's how we all start, and it's better to have an authentic video than all those others. So anyway, thank you for watching. Have a good day, night, evening, wherever you are, and I'll see you later. Bye.